Hey, stop filming me.
I'm documenting history right now. You're welcome.
This is not history. This is just us getting lost in a swamp.
At least it's peaceful here, though.
Yeah, kind of nice actually.
Did you hear that?
What?
That noise, like behind the trees.
It's probably just wind or something.
Yeah, probably just...
Okay, no, that's not wind.
It's fine. There's nothing there.
I don't like this.
It's nothing. Seriously, just relax.
What the... What is
God.
that?
What is that? What is that? Run!
Why did it look like that? I don't understand what's happening.